So, me and the van are off on a little adventure today. Heading off to get some digital dash fitted into the T6. So, I was going to do it myself, decided in the end, let's get someone else to do it. So, a guy off the T6 forums is going to be fitting them, so I've just got a 1.5 hour journey to go and get there. And yeah, so this is hopefully the last time we'll see these clocks, and I'll get a video once the new ones are going in and once they're up and running. Fingers crossed, touch wood, hopefully no problems, so see how it goes. So the new digital dash is now fitted. Gone with the sort of had to have the purple obviously, and then we've got the green, a bit like the Joker theme there, a bit like my mountain bike. There she is, all fitted, all working. Yeah, don't worry about that, that's always on there. Looking very smart. So we're going to test this out, do some miles in it, everything, but so far I think looks good. Gone with the miles in the corner there for the fuel, average consumption on the left. And now's the drive home, see how it goes, see how I like it. So just got back home, 65 miles, absolutely no problems with the clocks, they worked fine. We did adjust when they were fitted the speed compensation. You can adjust the speed compensation, so if the dials are out slightly, whether that's down to your wheel, changing wheel size or whatever, you can just go into the settings and you can plus or minus, so you can test it against GPS and then you can just plus or minus to match the speed error. So mine had to go, I knew my old clocks were already 1 mile an hour out, probably because of the 18-inch wheels on there. So with this you can test it against the GPS and then see how much you're out, and you can easily adjust it in the settings. This is how I've obviously got mine set up. You can, using your steering wheel controls, you can change what's in the center there. So you can come up here and it'll tell you, you can click on that, it anticipates you'd need 31 litres of fuel to fill that back up to full. You can, all the different options you can have it show you. So I just like to have it on the, I like to see the miles per gallon in the miles per hour in the middle there. So I just like it like that. It's got a nice, you've also got a little digital reading there of your starter battery, how much power's in that. And then we can see over the side there, we've got the miles per gallon, average miles per gallon for the journey I've just done. We've still got our outside temperature. I need to reset the clock. The clocks need setting again because I had to pop the battery off. And then the fuel still needs to work itself back out to how much it reckons you're going to get for that half a tank that's left. That's obviously been reset from changing the clocks and taking the battery off, so it's going to probably take a tank. So the other thing you get is when you turn the clocks off, when you turn the engine off or exit the vehicle now, so turn the engine off, take the key out, give it a second, you're going to get a little data display come up, giving you a little bit of information on your last trip that you've just done. So that's quite a nice little feature, you get that. And yeah, well impressed with them. Makes the van look a lot, makes the dash feel a lot more modern now. So really impressed with that. I'll leave a link to the nice fella that fitted them for me. I figured he's done quite a lot of these now. Let's let him fit them and save any mistakes being made on my part. So yeah, impressed with that. That's the new clocks in there, all fitted to the T6. Next up we have got the Alpine Halo 9 to go in. So I've got it. I've now got the right fitting kit for it, because the first one I bought was not the right fitting kit for it. Well, it was, but it didn't have all of the features. So the fitting kit that I originally was supplied with the Halo 9 wouldn't have worked with the rear parking sensors that are fitted, and I want that all obviously working. And the original fitting kit didn't work with the OEM microphone. This new one will. So need to get the Halo 9 fitted in there, and also finish the Wolfbox G900 rear view camera and dash cam. So it's obviously fitted there now, and I've temporarily ran it with a cable to the cigarette lighter socket, but I need to get that wired in permanently. And with the new wiring loom for the Alpine, there should be an extra additional set of power outs which you can use to wire to a dash cam. So I'm going to wire that, hopefully run that across the roof and down the pillar, and I can wire that to the new wiring loom, get that hardwired in. So yeah, another little upgrade coming along nicely. So if you want to see any more on the dash, or you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Just please like, share, subscribe, and keep your eyes peeled for more upgrades.